About this all-in-one service, the 5-in-1 adapter provides you with the perfect all-in-one service. The adapter has 3 USB 3.0 ports and can provide you with more USB device connections. It also has HDMI and VGA cables to expand the desktop to 2 external displays, perfect for gaming, work and entertainment. Vivid 3D effect video sync, USB-C adapter HDMI and VGA ports, with up to 4K, 3840x2160 at 30 Hz, resolution, directly convert USB-C to HDMI, requires HDMI 2.0 cable, 4K HD. The size of the screen mirrors the same screen, high-speed transmission, high-definition picture quality, so you can enjoy the movie-like visual feast at any time. 5-in-1 USB-C port, USB-C port to HDMI video. Output, 3 times USB 3.0 ports and VGA port. Ideal and efficient complement for laptops with single USB-C output such as MacBook Pro 2017. Connect monitor, projector, keyboard, mouse, or thumb drive to your Nintendo Switch, MacBook/MacBook Pro 2016, 2017 or other Type-C devices. Plug and play, no extra driver required. Support data transfer.